This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by loading your clip and matching project settings so edges stay consistent. Once imported, open the chroma key effect and use the color picker on the most neutral green area. This gives you the primary key color. Then create a quick garbage mat around the subject to remove floor and rigging. Doing this first prevents the keyer from struggling with distracting green. Make sure to keep untouched areas visible so you can refine them in the next step. Now you refine the mat. Reduce tolerance to avoid eating hair and increase clip white to preserve solid areas. Use choke to tighten edges, then feather slightly to remove harsh lines. This balances realism and softness. Apply spill suppression to remove green reflection on skin or props. Tweak color balance afterward so skin tones read naturally. If the automatic key misses moving elements, draw masks or roto shapes and keyframe them through the shot to maintain a clean composite. For the final composite, position your background and scale or track it to match camera movement. Then perform a final color grade so foreground and background share light and contrast. Render settings depend on delivery. Export with alpha for layering or flatten to color for final output, using a lossless codec for quality. If you see fringing or holes, sample a secondary key on problematic tones, apply light denoising, or revisit your garbage mat. Those steps usually fix the remaining issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.